Well, good afternoon, folks. It is Monday, October 5th, 2020. I'm currently in Pennsylvania. I got started early this morning, got my 34-hour reset in. Yeah! Picked up at my shipper, which was a drop and hook, picked up a load of ice cream, and I'm going out to California. Yeah. But, hey, it's over 2,700 miles, so yeah, nice paycheck. But yeah, ain't gonna make payroll this week. It's a good start for next week, though. So driving through Pennsylvania, you see some really beautiful foliage. The trees changing color. Big word, foliage. Ha ha. Yeah, pretty big word for a stupid truck driver. Well, good morning, folks. It is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. And I'm at a Love's because I need a shower. Yeah, it's shower time. Well, good morning, folks. It's Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. I don't know, I want to head for Sapp Brothers in Sydney, Nebraska. That's where I'll be stopping for the night. I'm pretty sad. I found out that Eddie Van Halen died last night. He was one of my favorite guitarists. In fact, he's the reason I picked up the guitar and learned how to play. Nowhere near as good as Eddie was, but yeah, I'm pretty bummed out about that. He was a hell of a guitarist. All right, folks, it is Wednesday, October 7th. So I'm not going to California after all. Yeah. I ended up swapping out with another team. Swapped out in Lincoln, Nebraska. So they took my trailer, and I took their trailer, and now I'm heading to New York State to drop off at a yogurt place. Hey, beats the shit out of going to California. I'm not a big fan of going to California. But anyway, so I'm shut down for the night. I stopped at the world's largest truck stop once again, get some grub in there. Kind of getting tired of, cheeseburgers. But yeah, I figured stopping here and get a decent meal. Well, good morning, folks. It is Wednesday. No, it's Thursday. Thursday, October 8th. And I'm in Ohio. It's actually 2:45 in the afternoon. I haven't made my video this morning, so. But anyway, I'm headed to upstate New York to drop my load off. It's due 1700. That's 5 p.m. tomorrow. So that's where I'm headed. Another couple hours of driving, and then I'll find a place to park and call tonight and get up tomorrow and do it all over again. All right, folks. It's still Thursday, October 8th. So I'm doing my post-trip inspection. I noticed that my passenger side steer tire, the axle seal was leaking. So I'm at a TA in Erie, Pennsylvania. So I figure, well, I'm here, so I went and scheduled it for a 5 a.m. service call. And then, hell, while they're doing that, have them look at the trailer and see why the alarm keeps going off for low air on the trailer, because I can't find a goddamn leak in the tire. And I've tried. I've soaked the shit out of it, and can't find the leak. So hopefully they can, and they get it fixed. But, my drop and hook is scheduled for 1700. It's 5 p.m. tomorrow morning, or tomorrow night rather. So don't want to be late for that. Well, good good morning, folks. It is Friday. Friday. Yeah, October 9th. So I'm in the shop bay right now, getting my truck worked on. It's 5:30 in the morning. Been in here since actually 5 a.m. Yeah, so it's one thing about getting the early morning appointments. You usually, one of the first ones in here. You don't have to wait. Yeah, bonus. That's called time management, planning ahead, or just getting lucky. However you want to look at it. But yeah, so the hub seal leak. Well, it just turned out that the cap was dirty. What do I know? I'm just a stupid truck driver. But yeah, well, hey, it's one of the things. You do the inspection, didn't look right, looked like it was leaking, so got it taken care of. And so now they're just waiting for the order to come in to do the trailer, and they'll get the leak chased down and fixed, and hopefully I'll be out of here by 6:30 at the latest. That'll be a bonus. Get this load delivered and on to the next. Yeah, money. Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana. It is Saturday, October 10th, 10/10/20. Yep, so I spent the night in a little tiny Sunoco truck stop, and getting ready to start my day. I'm heading to I'll go pick up my load in somewhere in upstate New York, and from there I'm heading to North Carolina. So that's that. Oh yeah, they never did at the TA. They never did find that leak in my trailer. So yeah, we tried, soaked everything down, checked all the fittings and all, and yeah, to no avail. So I dropped that trailer, so it's now somebody else's problem. Way to be a lease op. Except I'm a company driver. Alright, folks, Captain Banana here. I think I'm in Pennsylvania or the next state down. Anyway, I'm shutting down for the night. Pulled into I'm in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. I pulled into a little truck stop at it's a little Gettysburg truck stop, and guy pulls in. He's got a huge truck with a super sleeper. He was nice enough to give me a tour. I didn't get any video or anything like that, but man, this guy's truck is nicer than my apartment. I mean, this truck was just absolutely astonishing, and it's only $300,000. It's got a kitchen sink. It's got a shower. It's got satellite TV, moving satellite TV, so his wife can lay back in the king-size bed and watch TV while he's driving. Not a bad deal, huh? The downside is it only gets 7 miles per gallon. Don't think Prime would go for something like that. But yeah, it's a sweet truck. Good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana. It is Sunday, October 11th. I got about 300 miles to get to my Walmart delivery, and get that delivered and everything. That'll be the end of that. Then I got to take a 34 because I'm, just about out of hours. Got enough time to get it there. That's about it. But I want to go get some breakfast. Had dinner at this diner last night, and the dinner was really good, and the prices were really reasonable. So next time I'm through Gettysburg, I'm definitely stopping at this place again. parking was, you know, it's a stone lot, but hey, whatever, it's a free place to park. It wasn't crowded at all, so that's a good sign. But yeah, it's Gettysburg Travel Plaza and Mini Mart. If you know, my fellow truckers that watch my channel are in the area, I definitely recommend you know, stopping here, getting a bite to eat, and maybe spending the night. Of course, you don't have to sleep in your truck, but hey, you know, there's worse places to sleep. I had to sleep in my car a few times back in the day. All right, folks, Captain Banana here. So breakfast was cheese omelet and scrapple. For those that don't know what scrapple is, it's a pork product. It's everything but the oink. Yeah, it's all the scraps of the pig that aren't used. Well, they're all used in scrapple. Thus the name scrapple. It's a Pennsylvania thing, and it is delicious. As disgusting as it may sound, I mean, it's pig nostrils, pig ears, pig tail, pig butthole. I mean, it's, like I said, it's everything but the oink, and it is mighty good. So yeah, so breakfast was delicious, and I mean, I had a hearty breakfast. I had a cheese omelet, toast, didn't eat the hash browns, and scrapple, and I left a $5 tip, and my check came out to $15.27. That's with the $5 tip. I mean, the prices at this restaurant are really, really reasonable, and they give you a lot of food. I mean, I'm stuffed, so I'm fixing to get on the road and get on down to Walmart in Henderson, North Carolina. Got a open window any time between 12:01 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So it's 10:17 a.m. I think I can get it there before that time. Even if I drive 25 miles an hour, I can still get it there in time. But I'm going to drive 25 miles an hour. But yeah, so yep, time to get on the road.